Hi, today we are going to do another sharing, which is to use an application on mobile phone, which is called it is a video editing software or application, which is called InShot, InShot. After you have downloaded the app, okay, when you open it, okay, this is the front page of InShot. You can click create, either you want to create video or photo. Okay, so if you create video, so you'll be asked to create a new one. So just press this green button and then you can choose your video. For example, I'm going to choose the first video. Okay, so I click here. So when you click here, you can click the green button for yes. So now you can see the video. Okay, and then you can see the music that you can put in. You can put your own music, so you have to upload to your mobile phone first. So your music will be here and your video is here. And you can go to the editing part where you can control the volume of your song or music, and then you can fade in and fade out. Okay, then click the yes button. Then you can even split the end there because you do not want whatever is after the video. So after that, you just delete it. Then you can play it. Then we'll move on to the next one. This is controlling the size. Okay, you can pinch to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, then you can click the tick button or right button to say that this is what you want. Okay, now it is done. Then we move on to putting in the stickers. Okay, you can click record here, then you can drag and arrange where you want to put the sticker. There are so many stickers here. There are some are free and some you have to purchase them. You can click another one and then you can place it wherever you want. Okay, then you can drag the length of the sticker, whether you want it to be appearing from the beginning of the video or you want it to appear later on the video. So now you're done. Okay, there are many other stickers that you can uh, add to your video. Okay, like this. Okay, midnight glow. So you have to purchase. Some stickers are free and some are not. Okay, like love you. So this is free. So you get 20 stickers. Just click the free here and then you have to watch an advertisement. Okay, for example, this is the advertisement. So it is about 30 seconds. So you have to watch, okay, until the advertisement is completed. Okay, now you have your sticker. So you can see that the free sign is no longer there. So this is the set of stickers. So there are more examples here. Okay, let's finish. Let's continue with the next one. So now we go to the trimming. Okay, you can trim the video. Okay, this is still at the sticker there. This is how you make the stickers to appear according to the length of the video. So now if you want to add, you can add another video by clicking the plus button. So for example, I'm going to add another video. So it will appear as the second video here. Okay. So you can pinch again to control the size. Okay, there are a lot of functions here. For example, you want to change the background, you can change the background to red. You can even change to black or white. Okay, and then you can also choose gradient colors. And then you can also blur your videos. We have other features here or functions. So now let's look at filter. You can change the how your video, whether you want it to be bright or darker and so on. Okay, now we look at text. So just click text. Okay, then you can type. Then you can choose the font, the color, and also the position and the animation. Okay, you just drag it and move. You can make it bigger or make it smaller. Okay, so you need to use your fingers to control the size of the font. Now the movement. Okay, let's look at the color first. So you can change it to gradient colors, or you can change the font. There are some different fonts here, like Alio, MS Size, and then you have Daniel, you have Caviar Dreams, and so on. Okay. You can even center it or put at the side and so on. Now we go to animation. So there are various animation here. You have the basic and you have the loop. You can explore this. There are many different animations for your text. The first one is basic, where the letters will be coming in from the left and the right and so on, and the features at the bottom are looping. You can make the letters turn and so on. Okay. Again, as usual, you can drag the text uh, to the place that you want it to appear. Maybe you want it to appear uh, shorter or longer in the video. You can try to drag the white line here so that you can see how the stickers and also the text appear. Now we go to music. Just now I explained how to put in music. Just add in the tracks, and then you can drag also the track to the front, or if you want the track or the music to appear later, you can place it. Just use your finger and press on the track and then drag it to the front or back. And then again you can split it and then delete, and voila, you have the music. Okay, so this is how your video will look like. Okay, now we're going to move on to how to delete the InShot logo here. Okay, So how to delete the InShot logo? You can see the cross button here. So just click on the cross button and then you have to watch an advertisement. So it is about 20, 30 to 28 seconds. So after watching this, okay, so now it's done. And then the logo for Inkscape has been deleted. So this is your final video with the stickers and also the titles or the text. Next, we're going to move on to how to save your video. So just on the top right, you can see the word save. So click save. So once you click save, so you're asked to say whether the quality will be 1080 pixel, 720 pixel, or 640 pixel. So normally I choose 720 pixel because it is good enough for video. So after clicking that, okay, just close the advertisement here and then it will be converting the video. So now it is done. Okay, you can say save. You see the tick here for save. Well, this is the end of the sharing on how to use an application InShot, okay, which you need to use on your mobile phone, and then you can edit or create your own video, especially for your trailer. That's all. Thank you for watching this video and do remember to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.